Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this Valentine's Day inspired look. It's very bright but also subtle at the same time. I didn't go overboard with my face. I just focused on the eyes. I don't plan on wearing this on Valentine's Day because I'm probably not going to do anything. I have class that day. Yeah, and I also have class at night, so more than likely not doing anything. But I just wanted to have fun with this look and just do something that I would do if I were going out for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments below. Thanks. So I've already done my eyebrows off camera. For foundation, I will be taking the MAC Face and Body in the shade C7 with the BH Cosmetics buffing brush. So to prime my eyes, I'm taking the Morphe concealer in the shade Honey with the Whirl Technique sponge. Next, I'm setting my eyes with the Lorac Pro Contour Palette. I'm taking the beige highlight and the yellow highlight just to set that concealer in place. I then take my all-time favorite palette. This is the Morphe 350 palette, and I am taking this brown shade and I'm using it as the transition color. I wanted it to be a little bit more on the orange side, so I take this orange shade in the same Morphe 350 palette and I put that right over the first color we used as the transition shade. I then go in with the Morphe 35B palette and I take this super bright pink color and I use a shader brush and I just put that in the inner and the outer corner of my eyes. As you can see here, I'm just blending that in with a Wet n Wild brush. These brushes are, I think, 99 cents and they work amazing. Next, I go in with Pierre Cosmetics eyeshadow in the shade Earth and I use the Hard Candy setting spray to spray on my brush and I go in and pack that in the center of my eye. I'm sure you guys hear this a lot, but the key to a very, very, very pretty smoky eye is to blend. Blend until you don't see any hard lines, and you will have the perfect eyeshadow look. I then do my lashes off camera, and for that I use the Koko lashes in Goddess. And as you can see here, I'm just doing my under eye concealer with the same Morphe concealer in Honey. I also did my lashes, my eyeliner, and mascara off camera to save us from me not being in the picture. Brighten up my under eyes, I take the Sephora brand concealer, the Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer in the shade Tatin, I believe. I love this concealer so much. I first start off light, and then I go in when there's less concealer off my brush. Then I reverse contour my cheekbones, my under eyes, my chin, my nose, my forehead. I set my under eyes with the same Lorac Pro Contour Palette in the shades Beige and Yellow, at the same shades we used for my eyes. I forgot to show this to the camera, but to set the rest of my face, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I don't believe it's foundation, I think it's just powder. I'm using that in the shade 240 to set the rest of my face. I go back in with the Lorac Contour Pro palette, and I use the medium contour palette to bronze up my face. I believe this is a Lancome brush. I'm not sure, I actually took this from my mom a long time ago. And then I go in with the deep contour shade in the same palette, and I use a contour brush from, I believe this is Coastal Scents. I will also have all the brushes that I love and use every single day down below. Majority of them are from BH Cosmetics, but that's because they're the best. As you can see here, I am going in with the same pink eyeshadow shade, and I'm tight lining underneath my eye. I am blending that out. And then go in with the purple shade in the 350 palette. No, not 350. This is 35B. I use a purple shade, and I just put that on the outer corner of my lower eyes. And I blend that out, of course. I don't usually use lower eyeliner, but for the sake of the video, I went in with the e.l.f. eyeliner for my waterline. I think this was about $1 or $2, so it's definitely worth it, especially for someone who doesn't wear eyeliner like I do. I usually just wear top eyeliner. For blush, I'm going in with MAC Coppertone with, again, a BH Cosmetics blush brush. Now for my favorite part, highlight. I use the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in Global Glow, and I also go back in with the Lorac contour palette and I use the shimmer highlight. I use every single shade in this palette except for the light contour because I believe that's the same shade as my foundation, so this palette was definitely worth it. For my lips, I went in with the MAC lip pencil in Whirl and also the MAC lipstick in Whirl. Right now, MAC is having a lip kit deal where you get both the liner and the lipstick for, I believe it was $30, which is totally a deal. So that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.